everyone, my name is Sabrina Melodieuse and welcome to my channel. Today is the day where we pick winners for the crochet along of the Bag of Madness. 3 winners! Isn't that exciting? But before we do that, I do have to say that this morning when I woke up, I found an email from a person sending me her entry for the Bag of Madness. So it is a late entry. I don't know where that person is from. Could be from a country where they are quite a few hours behind me, and so it would qualify them still for the entry. So for this reason, I have decided that I will allow this late entry. And I will insert the picture right here. Okay, so here we are, and we are ready to pick our wonderful 3 winners. Yes, that's right, not 1, not 2, but 3 winners. Isn't that exciting? Okay, so before we get to pick the winners, I want to show you all the names are right here in the basket. There are 8 entries. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, here we are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All 8 are right here, which is super exciting, right? So, what do the winners get? Well, it's very simple. Winners 2 and 3 will be able to choose a pattern of their choice in either Ravelry or Etsy. They will have to send me a link to the pattern so that I can purchase it for them. And why Ravelry or Etsy? Because it's so easy to do. You just go to there, and it's probably the easiest places to get a pattern for you. So go on ahead on these websites and look through patterns, and when you find one that you really want, let me know and I will buy it for you. Winner number 1, I will probably have to send you, and we'll probably have to discuss this between us. We can come to some kind of arrangement, but my thinking was that due to what's going on in this world, it might be easier to just send you an amount of money through PayPal. And I was thinking of £25 sterling, which is equivalent to 30 or 31 US dollars. And I hope you will find that acceptable. If not, we can always discuss another possibility of what you would like to win up to this amount of money. So, let's without further ado pick some winners. And before we do, I would like to thank you, all 8 of you, for taking part in this amazing crochet along. All your bags are just so beautiful, and I've enjoyed receiving all these beautiful pictures. So good luck to all 8 of you, and let's pick the winners. Alright, winner number 3 is, I will shake the basket and pick a winner. Let's see who it is. It is this piece of paper right here, which is Dusty Cat. Yes, it's Dusty Cat. Dusty Cat. Congratulations, Dusty Cat. I'm putting number 3 next to your name. There we go. So you have to email me a link of a pattern you want from either Ravelry or Etsy, and I will purchase this for you and get it sent over. Now let's get ready for winner number 2. Well, this is quite fun, isn't it? Winner number 2, let's shake the basket one more time. And Let's pick a name at random, and we've got a piece of paper right now. And I wonder who it is. Let's see. It is Dianna Renault. Yay! Congratulations, Dianna. So, just like Dusty Cat, I think it was. Yes. You need to look into Ravelry and Etsy and look for a pattern of your choice. I've got your number right here, number 2. Yes, you're winner number 2. I'm so thrilled. Now we need to pick the big winner. And who is it going to be? We'll find out in a second. Alright, we're back to pick winner number 1. Yes, it's super exciting. It truly is. So, as we've gone through as to what the winner will get, I will just go ahead and pick the fantastic winner. So here we are. Good luck to the remainder entries here. I'm shaking the basket and shaking, and I'm ready to pick at random. So let's do it. I'm not finding them. Oh, there they are. They're all in a corner, all at the same place. And so I can't see. There we go. I got one. Who is it? I've got one. There it is. We need to find out. So whoever it is, congratulations. And we will have to be in contact for your prize. Dun, ta da dun, 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 dun. Crafty yarn hour with Darla. Yes, you are my winner number 1. Many congratulations. That is super exciting. So you need to email me, all 3 of you, winners 2 and 3, with the pattern of your choice. Send me the link to it so I can purchase it for you whenever you want me to buy it for you. We can do this tonight if it's not too late for me, or tomorrow, or whenever you want. There's no date limit to it. And Darla, you need to email me with your thoughts on whether you want me to send you some money through PayPal, or we can do something else a little bit more creative. Just let me know. Many congratulations to all 3 winners. And there we are. There will be other crochet alongs at some point. So please everyone take the time to congratulate these fantastic 3 winners. Thank you all very much for watching. And until the next time, happy knitting and crochet everyone.